Namaste everyone, welcome to Shloka Chant with Eshu. Welcome to the 6th part of Hanuman Chalisa. So till now we have learned till 16 verses. Today we'll be learning from 17. So let's start with the 17. Tumharo mantra vibhishan, bhi stress, vibhishan, and na when you pronounce your tongue tip stretch up a palate like this. Mana लंकेश्वर भये भास्ट्रेस सब जग जाना. So what is the meaning of this? Vibhishana is brother for Ravana, but he has never followed any path of Ravana. He never listened to the Ravana, basically Vibhishana. So Hanuman is the one who helped Rama to defeat Ravana. Because of that, Vibhishana became a king, Lankeshwara. So Lanka is a kingdom name of Ravana, Vibhishana. So Vibhishana became king for Lanka. So you are the one who helped Vibhishana. Vibhishana listened to your mantra, listened to your advice. Then that's how he became king for Lanka. That is the meaning for this stanza. तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना. Jag means world. So the entire world, the whole world knows about this. We'll go with the next one, 18th one. Yug sahastra yojan par bhanu bhastress लील्यो ताही madhur fal, madhur dha stress, fal is a first stress, janu. Yug sahastra yojan par bhanu लील्यो ताही madhur fal janu. We all know that Hanuman, he thought sun as a fruit and he went to take that fruit, right? So that is the meaning, that story that we have here. So here, Yuga Sahastra Yojan Parbhanu Lilyo Tahi Madhur Fal Janu. I'll tell the second line meaning. Madhur means sweet. Fal means a fruit. So you thought Bhanu, sun, as a sweet fruit and you went to eat him. But how far is that sun? That is the meaning that we have in the first line. It says that Yojana par Bhanu. Yuga Yojana means 96 lakh miles. Sun is so far, but you saw him like a fruit and you went to eat him. So you are so powerful. That is the meaning for this 18th one. We'll go with the 19th. Prabhu, bhustress, mudrika means a ring, meli, mukh, mahi, meli, mukh, khastress, mahi, jaladhi, dhi stress, landhi, landhi, dhi stress, gaye, achraj, nahi. So what is the meaning of this? So you are the one who took, Rama gave his ring for Hanuman to show that to Sita when he went to Lanka. So what did Hanuman did? He took the mudrika, ring from Prabhu Rama, then he kept in his mouth, Meli Mukh Mahi. So here Mukh means, Meli is the precious ring. He kept in his mouth, in your mouth, Jaladhi Landhi. So what is Jaladhi here? So Jaladhi means the ocean. So you crossed the ocean. You jumped. The Landhi is a jump. You jumped. You crossed the ocean. There is no wonder in that one. Acharaj means a wonder. Nahi, no wonder. There is no wonder that you could do that one so flawlessly. So easily you crossed the ocean and reached Devi Sita Mata. You showed ring of Rama to her. And that says that Rama is there to protect Sita Mata. We'll go with the 20th one. So the last one for the day. Durgam Kaj Jagat ke jete Sugam Anugrah Tumhare Tete. So Durgam means a difficult, the one which is not easy to accomplish. Kaj means work. Jagat is a world. Jete. So whatever the difficult world the people has or the world is facing, if they remember you with your blessing, with your grace, anugraha is a grace or a blessing, everything will become sugama. Sugama is a easy, possible. Durgam is a difficulty, which is unattainable basically. Okay, so the meaning is all the difficult tasks in this entire world will become easy with your blessing. That is the meaning for the 20th one. So we'll recite from 17. तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भये सब जग जाना, युग सहस्त्र योजन पर भानु, लील्योताहि मधुर फल जानु, प्रभु मुद्रिका मेल मुख माही, जलधि लांघी, it's a ghi actually, it's not a dha, please correct it. Jaladhi langhi, gaye achraj nahi, दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते. So this is a meaning for 17, 18, 19 and 20. We have covered 4 verses. I'll see you in the next 4 verses in the next video. If you have any doubt, any questions, please do let me know in the comment section, or you can write a mail also to me. You can drop a message in Instagram also. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Namaste.